Hi, my name is Lori Hollenkamp, and I drive a GLE 350, and I'm in today for my Service B maintenance as scheduled. I usually work with Kelin, and he's been really helpful in always explaining things very clearly, giving me a good idea how long my service appointment will last, and filling me in on any last minute changes. Feldmann Imports is, I think, the region's leader in both new car sales, previously owned sales, and also service. My experience today was perfect. It went exactly as planned, and the waiting area is lovely. I can get work done or simply relax. The thing that makes Feldmann different than any other dealer is that Feldmann is conveniently located for me. They offer shuttle services to local businesses, and the customer service ethic here is really exceptional.